I stand at the bus stop. I look at the sign. So many buses. I look at the numbers. I read slowly. I am not sure. I look again and again. Which bus? I feel confused. I look at the road. A bus is coming. It comes closer. Closer and closer. I look at the number. I look fast. Is this my bus? I am not sure. The bus stops. People get on. I move fast. I get on the bus. I sit near the window. I breathe. Okay. I look outside. I see the street. I see the buildings. Everything looks normal. But something feels wrong. I look again. I check again. The street is not right. I think about my stop. My stop is not here. I feel confused. I feel worried. I look at the front. I see a number. I read the number. I read it again. No. This is not my bus. Wrong bus. I am on the wrong bus. Oh no. I stand up. I move to the door. I wait. I wait for the bus to stop. It feels slow. Very slow. Finally, the bus stops. I get off fast. I stand on the street. I look around. I do not know this place. I feel lost. I take my phone. I look at my phone. No internet. I look again. Still no internet. Oh no. I cannot use my phone. I look at the road. I wait. I wait for another bus. A bus comes. I look at the driver. I walk to the driver. Hello. I point to the road. This bus, city centre? The driver looks at me. He smiles. Yes. Okay. I get on the bus. I sit down. I breathe. Now I feel calm. Now I feel okay. Today I go out. I am at the bus stop. I feel confused. I get on the bus. It is the wrong bus. I am lost. My phone does not work. I wait. Then I ask for help. I find the right bus. I am on my way. Thank you for listening. See you next time. Bye.